So, good day, everyone. You are welcome to Gala Science Academy. Please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. So, our today chapters in chemistry is nuclear chemistry. If you look at what the nuclear chemistry, as the name implies, nucleus and the chemistry. So, the nuclear chemistry, the word nuclear, we get it from the word what? Nucleus. Nucleus from the word what? Nucleus. And as we all know that what? The structure of what? Of atom, atomic theory. We know that atom comprise of what? Of two things. The first thing we have in atom, if you could still remember, under atomic components, the atom splits into two. We have what we call what? The nucleus of atom, and then we have what? What? Electron. Where this nucleus of an atom is positively what? Charged. And the electron is negatively what? Charged. And inside the nucleus of an atom, we also have two things here. We have what we call what? Proton. And we have what we call what? Neutron. So proton is also a positive charge, and neutron is what? It has no what? Charge. It's neutral. So these are the three basic atomic what? Particle or components. If you draw this based on the what? The structure of atom, partially spherical picture, in the middle here, this N and what? And P. This N stand for what? The word what? Neutron. This P stand for what? What? Proton. And the combination of proton and neutron, we all know as what? Is called what? Nucleus. Abi? And we all know that the electron is orbit the what? The nucleus. And here we have what we call what? Shell. But we can also call it what? Orbit. And the electron E is moving around the what? The orbit. Good. So look at what? There are two types of what? Of reaction in chemistry. We have what we call what? Nuclear reaction. And we also have what we call what? Chemical what? Chemical reaction. So these three atomic components we have in atom, the 90% of reaction we are dealing with in chemistry is nuclear what? Reaction. In nuclear reaction is the only this electron that is what? Participates in what? In chemical what? Sorry. Chemical what? Reaction. Any reaction that involves the transfer of electron, valency electron, is called what? Chemical reaction. Which is what? The most of the chemistry reaction are what? Chemical reaction. So the chemical reaction concern or deal with what? The electron transfer. Yes. But in terms of what? Of nuclear reaction, is a reaction that majorly concern on what? That is majorly concerned on what? On nucleus of what? Of atom. So nuclear reaction is a reaction that takes place inside the nucleus of an atom, which involve the what? the proton and what? And neutron. That is what? Nuclear what? Reaction. But the reaction that involved the transfer of electron is called chemical reaction. So out of the three particles of atom we have now, the electron is the one that is involved in what? In chemical reaction. But the study or the reaction that involved the study of what? Proton and neutron in the nucleus of what? Of an atom, we call it nuclear what? Reaction. But the aspect of this chemistry that deal with the study of reaction that take place inside the nucleus, or that deal with what? The study of nuclear reaction, is what we call nuclear chemistry. I believe you are getting it now. Nuclear chemistry is the aspect of what? Of chemistry that deal with the study of process or reaction that is take place in the what? In the nucleus of an atom, or a reaction that involving the what? The proton and the neutron is called nuclear chemistry. Well, in short, nuclear chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with what? Study of nuclear reaction, where nuclear reaction is the study of what? All the reaction that take place in the what? In the nucleus, which involve the what? The proton and the what? And neutron. That is the what? The introduction to nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deal with what? The study of reaction or process that involve the proton and the neutron in the nucleus of what? Of an atom. Or nuclear reaction is a reaction that involves nuclear chemistry is a reaction that involves the study of what? Of nuclear reaction. Where nuclear reaction is the study of scenario or reaction that is taking place inside the what? Nucleus. Where the reaction that is taking place inside the nucleus, which is nuclear reaction, we have radioactivity, we have what? Nuclear decay, we have nuclear fusion, and nuclear what? Fission. So the nuclear reaction comprises of four what? Four processes. So let me define the nuclear what? Nuclear chemistry. So nuclear chemistry is deal with what? The study of reaction that involve the protons and neutrons in the nucleus of what? Of an atom. That is what? Nuclear chemistry. Or you can also say what? Nuclear chemistry is the study of nuclear what? Reaction. Is the study of what? Of nuclear reaction. What is the nuclear reaction? Nuclear reaction is what? Is a reaction that takes place inside the what? Nucleus, which involves the what? The proton and what? And neutron. That's what? Nuclear what? Nuclear reaction. So the nuclear chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of what? Of nuclear what? Reaction. So let us look at the nuclear reaction now. So let us look at what? The nuclear reaction. The nuclear reaction occur in the nucleus nucleus of an atom of radioactive elements due to energy change. So the nucleus reaction, it takes place in the nucleus of an atom of radioactive what? Element due to the what? Energy change. The nuclear reaction always takes place in what? Nucleus of radioactive element. It's not all elements. Due to energy what? Energy change. Where the nuclear chemistry is this branch of chemistry that they will study of what? Of nuclear reaction, which is the reaction that involves the what? The proton and neutron in the nucleus of what? Of an atom. So, and what are the example of nuclear what? Reaction? Example of nuclear what? Reaction are the first one, the first example of nuclear reaction, the first example of nuclear reaction, we have radioactivity. We can also call it what? Nuclear disintegration. Number two, we have radioactive decay. Number three, we have nuclear fission. Number four, we have what we call nuclear what? Fusion. So these are the what? Are the reactions that is occur in the nucleus of radioactive elements. And the study of all these four reactions we have is called nuclear chemistry. So let's take it one after the what? The other. The first one now is what? Is radioactivities.